of our own, Professor Uchenna Uzo.
He has written teaching cases that won numerous awards. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Professor Uchenna Uzo.
I look forward to gaining the big picture of his research interests, which definitely have had an impact on the economic landscape of Nigeria.
On behalf of the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Uzo Uzo, I welcome you to the 14th Inaugural Lecture of Pan-Atlantic University.
This lecture is amazing because it tells the story of how a seemingly chaotic market can be the route to success.
If you want to succeed in informal markets, you need to be ready to be a trust builder. In Nigeria, $1.1 billion is part of what this informal market produces. 90% of retail transactions are within informal markets, and also it employs about 90% of labor.
The whole country will see that here at LBS we have solid academics who understand the markets.
If you've ever bought in a street market, please raise your hand. Let me see. Everybody. So everybody can relate 3 myths that hinder success in this market. The first one, illegality. The second one is discontinuity. And the third one is irrationality.
So I'm going to be calling on everyone to put their hands together to be policy advocates to transform the informal market space of Nigeria and Africa.
Thank you very much.